Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start learning Scots Gaelic with Busuu, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start learning Scots Gaelic with Busuu, visit the Busuu website or download the app. Create a free account by signing up with your email or using a social media account. Once logged in, select Scots Gaelic from the list of available languages. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to understand its layout and features. Begin with the placement test to assess your current knowledge level. After the test, the platform will recommend a personalized learning plan tailored to your skills. Start with the introductory lessons, focusing on basic vocabulary and phrases. Listen to the audio pronunciations to get accustomed to the sounds of Scots Gaelic. Practice speaking along with the audio to improve your pronunciation. Engage with interactive exercises to reinforce what you've learned. Utilize the grammar tips provided in the lessons to better understand sentence structure. Take advantage of the vocabulary review sessions to enhance your memory. Join the community features, where you can practice with native speakers. Utilize the chat feature for real-time conversations with other learners. Stay consistent by setting a daily or weekly study schedule that suits your routine. Track your progress through the platform's built-in assessment tools. As you advance, explore more complex topics like verbs, nouns, and cultural aspects of Scots Gaelic. Experiment with the writing exercises to improve your spelling and sentence formation. Take notes as you go to reference key concepts later. Consider downloading supplementary resources or materials recommended on the platform. Continue practicing regularly to build fluency and confidence in your speaking skills. Celebrate your milestones and achievements to stay motivated along your learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.